Hi, I'm Alexey Morozov, owner at Alexey Morozov Atelier and MRZV Manufacturing Limited at Banks Mill Studio. I originally from Latvia, near Russia. Came to England, literally studying first time. New culture, new language. Was really stressful for first year. Especially I was only one as a from international students. I was awarded for the best collection at the University of Derby. And my second award the same year I received from Gokwan at the fashion show in Nottingham. He mentioned about that he have never seen the skirt I have made in his industry for 22 years, which was really great for me. I was like, the fashion guru told me that. I moved to Banks Mill in 2019 on the 1st of August. I remember it was summer. Started from the small alterations to do some dresses, costumes for drag queens. Before I moved to Banks Mill, I used to work from my room. But when I found a studio in Banks Mill, I really was impressed how many support you can get. The literal interior of the studio is amazing. I was inspired by New York style, like loft design, quite interesting, big windows, bricks design as well. So as a part of university graduated student, I'm really proud to be still kind of connected to this University of Derby, especially having support from University of Derby in the sometimes project which helps to for students and for myself as well. But I'm so happy that I got 2 students right now on a placement, one the Hannah and Johnny. They're both on the second year, which is great, and I'm glad to share my experience, my knowledges for the future, which is most important. And will be really proud to be work with more students in the next year when the placement will be back.